What if I told you owning a home could be as easy as buying a phone? Imagine this, a compact solar smart home arriving at your doorstep, fully built, ready to live in, and unfolding in just hours. Unreal? Not anymore. Tesla has officially started delivering the first 100 tiny houses across California and New Mexico, and the first customers are stunned. One early buyer said, "It feels spacious and quiet, surprisingly solid for its size." Another added, "Seeing it unfold before my eyes was awe-inspiring. Everything just clicks into place, simple and fast." This isn't just a tiny home, it's Tesla redefining what a home means. Before we dive further, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss Tech Drive's coverage of Elon Musk's boldest innovations. Up until recently, few knew Tesla had quietly stepped into the real estate world. Orders were first taken in 2023, and now those first homes are finally being delivered. These futuristic casitas, costing just $7,999 unfurnished, are built entirely at Giga Nevada, and early users are blown away at how roomy they feel despite being only 200 square feet. Installation takes just a few hours. That's right, you could literally place an order, and in less time than watching a few movies, your home is ready to live in. Inside, you can cook, relax, invite friends, even watch a movie under a 60-inch TV. It's more than a small house, it's a glimpse of the future of living. Now, you might ask, why is Tesla, a company known for electric cars and robots, building homes? The answer comes straight from Elon Musk. During a past Q4 earnings call, he said housing will become one of the biggest global issues in the next decade. Millions of people cannot afford homes, and Tesla has the resources and tech to change that. Tesla's solution: affordable, sustainable homes that anyone can buy, and that could generate a new revenue stream alongside EVs. The demand is expected to be enormous. But before launching it to the world, Musk decided to test the dream himself. For over 3 months, he lived in a 375-square-foot prefab home near SpaceX's Starbase in Texas. It was his residence, workspace, and guest area. After living there, he confirmed, smaller doesn't mean inferior. This experience became the blueprint for Tesla's commercial tiny home, the Tesla Tiny House. So, how did Tesla make it? The answer begins deep inside Giga Nevada, where homes are built like Tesla's. This wasn't just another project. Tesla had no existing factory lines for housing. Every machine, every assembly process had to be designed from scratch. That's why it took time to deliver the first homes. Now, the system is running. Each house is fully produced inside a factory, with precision robotics handling every stage. Wall panels, flooring, kitchen and bathroom sections, cut by CNC machines. Steel frames, robot welded. Insulation, sprayed automatically for airtight efficiency. Tesla calls this house manufacturing, producing homes like industrial products, not traditional construction projects. A house built like a product, not a project. Materials are next level. Instead of drywall or plywood, Tesla uses composite panels, EPS foam sandwiched between magnesium oxide boards. They're fireproof, waterproof, termite-proof, soundproof, and well-insulated. The core structure: galvanized steel, pressed with over 250,000 pounds of force. Ultra-durable, lightweight, and foldable. Each module leaves the factory with plumbing, electrical wiring, HVAC, and even basic furniture pre-installed. When it arrives, it's plug and play. Unfold it, connect power and water, and your home is ready. Tesla also offers upgrades, a solar roof, Powerwall, and smart home integration via the Tesla app. You could literally live off-grid, controlling your home and energy from your phone. Orders move fast. Once built, homes are folded for transport, easily loaded onto a Tesla Semi or standard shipping container. Delivery: often within a week. On-site, the foldable design lets engineers unfold the home in about 1 hour, no cranes, no heavy equipment. Connections for utilities take another hour or 2, and your home is ready. Each tiny house is built to last 16 years before needing major renovation. Panels are fire, water, mold, and corrosion resistant. Sure, this isn't a bunker. At around 6,000 pounds, it's not designed for hurricanes or earthquakes like a traditional house. But it's solid and durable for its class, ready for most climates. And yet, despite being under 200 square feet, it feels open and airy. 9.5-foot ceilings, clever layout, and large windows make it feel much larger than it is. Perfect for 2 or 3 people. The genius? These homes are modular. Need extra space? Attach another module horizontally or vertically. Multiple units can create a 2 or 3-story home, perfect for families. That's modular living done Tesla style. Start small, expand as needed. If this is blowing your mind, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Alright, now that you know how Tesla's tiny house is built, let's step inside and see what life actually feels like. Even without stepping in ourselves, the first customer's reactions are clear. This 200 square foot home feels far bigger than it actually is. Every inch is designed with precision. Nothing wasted. Nothing random. Small. Yes. But smart, sleek, and surprisingly cozy. Step through the door and the first thing you notice is the warm, balanced atmosphere. Tesla engineers nailed the interior vibe, minimalist, yet rich, not empty. The main area is a living room-bedroom hybrid. A sleek neutral-colored sofa sits against the wall. One smooth pull, and it becomes a double bed with built-in bedding. Boom, daytime hangout becomes a nighttime retreat. Want a movie night? Mount a 60-inch TV. Shelves beside it hold books, photos, or personal touches. Everything is clean, calm, and efficient. Lighting is next level. Massive windows flood the space with natural light, making it feel open and airy. Double-pane insulated glass keeps temperatures steady and energy use low. At night, warm LED lights create a cozy glow, synced with the home's solar power setup. When the sun sets, smart curtains glide shut with a tap on the Tesla app, giving you calm privacy instantly. Tesla built an air filtration system that keeps the air fresh 24/7, filtering smoke, cooking odors, and dust automatically. And the bathroom? Compact but premium. Frosted glass doors let in light while keeping privacy. Inside, there's a rainfall shower, floating sink, modern toilet, and mirrored cabinet, all built from easy-clean materials. The kitchen is small but smart. Induction cooktop, mini oven, compact fridge, even a tiny dishwasher, everything fits perfectly. Cabinets go high for storage, and the countertop hides a fold-down dining table for 2. Fold it back, and the space looks minimalist again. But there's one more secret inside these walls, something that turns this house into a living power plant. With upgrades, you can add a solar roof, a Powerwall, and rainwater collection systems. Together, this turns your tiny house into a self-sufficient, energy-independent home. Lights, AC, cooking, laundry, even EV charging, all powered off-grid if you choose. 265-gallon water tank, greywater recycling, and sealed waste treatment make it fully sustainable. This tiny home may be small, but it's built to grow with you. Need more room? Add another 200 square foot module horizontally or stack one vertically. A small minimalist retreat can become a 2 or 3-story home, perfect for a family of 5. And all of it carries the Tesla design signature: sleek, modern, energy efficient, and sustainable. The price? Mind-blowing. Base version starts at $7,999. No property tax. No permits. No hidden fees. Click order, and your fully built, move-in ready home arrives at your lot. Don't even have land. Tesla offers a free plot in one of their community zones for the first 2 years. Factory to foundation, fully handled. You just move in. Skyrocketing housing costs. Tesla just tore that barrier apart. Homeownership is possible again. Picture this: a Tesla semi rolls up, your tiny house unfolds in hours, utilities connected, inspection passed, and your home is ready. No mortgage, no decades-long loan, just living your life. Foldable, modular, and globally shippable, it's not a concept anymore. It's real. By 2028, Tesla's tiny homes could be seen everywhere. From deserts to downtown skylines, Tesla's tiny homes could fit anywhere. In Africa, they could bring electricity and clean water to remote regions. In Europe and North America, they could slash living costs and carbon emissions. In crowded Asian cities, they could solve space and energy challenges. Tech Drive will be tracking every milestone as this revolution unfolds. Next year, Tesla begins mass production at a brand new facility beside Giga Nevada, dedicated entirely to modular housing and Powerwall manufacturing. The company that transformed cars, robotics, and AI is now reshaping the way humans live. So, what do you think? Could Tesla's tiny houses become a global phenomenon, or is this just another bold Musk experiment? Share your thoughts in the comments below, we're curious to hear your take. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, like, subscribe, and hit the bell to never miss another Tech Drive deep dive into Elon Musk's boldest innovations. One thing's certain, the future of living is unfolding faster than ever.